All right, so today we're going to study science, okay? So a while ago, I told you to prepare your science book, okay? Please get it ready because we're going to have a lot of activities, written activities for today that are related to the lessons that we have discussed already in the video, okay? So the first activity that we're going to have is water important to plants? Okay. We're going to have our activity and also we're going to have the fuel up exercise, the knowledge summary, and think higher. So yeah. Okay. All right. The first thing that we're going to do is to open our book to page 43. So get your book and open it to page 43, please. Okay, I will open it with you too. Okay, in this page, we're going to find out or we're going to hypothesize if water is important to plants, okay? So do you think water is important to plants? Do you think water is important to plants?
Sorry, teacher.
Yes.
Sound is not loud.
Okay.
Hello.
It's not loud. Okay. I will speak louder. Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly now, everybody? Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. So open your book to page 43. Page 43. Here we're going to find out if water is important to plants. Okay, so do you think water is important to plants? Kids? Okay, yes, it is. It's very important to plants because the plants need it for distributing the nutrients and breaking out nutrients, okay, from the soil. Okay, so here is an example activity that we're going to fill out today. Okay, the first one we have the flower pot 1 and the flower pot 2. So the first pot, for example, is get watered every day. So there is enough water in the first flower pot. And in the second flower pot, it doesn't get enough water. It doesn't get water. Good morning, Poom. Okay. So, what will happen in the first day of the experiment or before the experiment? Okay. So, here it is. In the first day or before the experiment, its stalk and leaves are green. Okay. They are green. Of course, in the first day of experiment, we just didn't do anything, so it's still going to be green. And it's the same in the flower pot too, because we're going to compare the two pots. Okay, so the mung beans is going to be green. Okay, that is what's going to happen in the first day of the experiment. So what will happen in 1 week? So what will happen in 1 week? It is going to be the first plant will be green and it will grow well. Okay, and it will have a taller stalk and it will have more leaves. And the next pot, its stalk and leaves are going to be weak and it will dry. And also, it will not grow well, okay? Okay, so that's what's going to happen if we put 2 plants, but the first plant is watered and the second plant is not watered, okay? So I want you to fill it in page 44, okay? In this page 34. Okay, if you're finished, kindly raise your hand. Press the raise hand button like this. Hello, Stamp. Are you finished?
Finished, teacher.
Very good. You're very fast. Good job.
Okay, what is the color of
Okay, stamp is finished. Who else are? Who else? Okay, good job. You can just raise your hand in the button. Okay. You tell me if you cannot hear teacher well. Okay. So I will adjust. Okay. So you will be given 1 minute, one more minute, and then we will going to move on to the next part.
What is the common color of the leaf? What color then? Is it yellow? Is it blue? Or is it what color? B. Very good, Jen. Thanks so much, Jen. Our vocabulary.
Okay, finish. So let's go to the next part.
We have this kids I have here.
Okay.
And they're trying to answer or ask something about
Oh, it's okay if you're not yet finished. We can see it. You can see this video again later. Okay. Okay. So let's go. Okay. As a conclusion, we can see that the mung bean sprout that gets watered grows well. It will grow well. It will have a green leaves and tall stalk. Okay. It will have taller stalk and green leaves. Here it is. It has taller stalk and green leaves. But the okay, some of you are finished already. But the mung bean sprout that does not get watered does not grow well. It has a weak and dry stalk. So plants need water to grow. Do you think plants need water to grow well? Do you think plants need water to grow well? Yes, okay. Plants need water to grow well. So you finish this part, okay? The lower part of the book, okay? And then when you're finished, you're going to raise your pencil, okay? Or no, raise hand in the button. 1 minute. Okay, so let's move on to the next part.
Here we have plants
Ready?
from other types of things. Let's take a bake for themselves, just like we had, I think, for ancestors.
Okay, let's wait a little bit for the others.
They don't get it, or they don't get it other living things, but they bake for themselves. That's why they are very special living things. Okay, and this is photosynthesis. Okay, when the plant.
Okay, so let's go. Okay, now I want you to open your book to page 52. Page 52. This is page 52, okay? Ready, kids? Okay, so now we're going to color the statement that is correct. Okay, color the correct statement. Okay, so now get a crayon. Please prepare a crayon. Do you know what crayon is? Crayon. And you're going to color, okay? So we're going to color which is correct, okay? The first statement is number 1. If plants do not get light for a long time, their leaves will turn pale yellow. Is it correct or no? If it is correct, you're going to color it with any color. And if not, you're not going to color it, okay? So let's see if it's correct. If you want to answer if it's correct or not, you can just unmute, okay? Unmute your microphone and say yes or no. Okay, number 1. Is it correct? If plants do not get light for a long time, their leaves will turn pale yellow. Is it correct or no? What is it? Anybody? Okay, okay, Namkang, unmute yourself, please. Yes, it is correct. So we're going to color it with any color. Okay, so I chose pink because it's easier to be seen. Okay, you're going to color it. Do you have crayons with you? Crayons. You have crayons?
Anyone? Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Number 2. Water is an important factor for plant growth. Water is an important factor for plant growth. Is it correct or no? Who wants to answer? Okay, I'm going to pick from... I'm going to choose a number. Number 4. Number 4. Water is an important factor for plant growth. Is it yes or no? Okay, who wants to answer? Number 4?
Number 4. Okay.
Oh, nobody? Okay, who else? Raise your hand.
Very good.
Yes or no? Unmute your microphone if you want to answer. Anybody?
Good job. Okay. And
Okay, Namfeng again. Sorry, I can't see others. Just raise your hand like this if you want to answer.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Water is an important factor for plant growth. Okay, so we're going to color it too. Number 3. Plants need carbon dioxide for breathing. Plants need carbon dioxide for breathing. Is it yes or no? I'm going to... Okay, stamp. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so let's find out if it's yes or no. Okay, the answer is no. Plants do not need carbon dioxide for breathing, but plants need carbon dioxide for food. Okay? Alright, number 4. This is number 4. Plants need oxygen for making food. Plants need oxygen for making food. Yes or no? Let's try Boom. Boom, do you want to answer number 4? Yes or no? Plants need oxygen. Huh?
No.
Okay, Jaja answered. Okay, but the answer is... Oh, number 4 is no. Good job, Jaja. You got the correct answer. Okay, for those who got the correct answer, you got the confetti. Number 5. Number 5 answer is displayed already. Adding fertilizers to soil will add up nutrients for plants. Okay, it is? Yes. So we're going to color number 5 too. Okay. Alright, good job. Finished? Okay, someone's answering, Pupa, but there's no question yet. Okay. Are you finished with all of these? Okay. 1 minute again. Okay, time is up. Let's go to page 53. We're going to look at the pictures and answer the questions. Okay, open your book to page 53. This is how it looks like. Okay, page 53. Ready, kids? Okay, so let's go. Number 1 question. The plants in flower pot 1 and 2 grow differently. Why is it? So why is it that they grow differently? Okay, is it A, the plant in flower pot 2 does not get water for a long time? Or B, the soil in flower pot 2 does not have enough nutrients? So what do you think is the reason why they grow differently? Is it A or B? Okay, you're not going to tell teacher, just write on your book. Okay, if your answer is A, you don't have to write A, you just have to write the plant in flower pot 2 does not get water for a long time. Okay? Okay, let's try this one before we write it. If you want, do you want to answer this question? Anybody? Anybody? Is it A or B? Okay, so you're writing already. Okay, so we will decide later. When you're finished, erase your pencil. Okay. What is it po?
Teachers, what I teacher means how do you know? Okay, how this works. That's it. First,
Okay, when you're finished, raise your hand in the raise hand button.
round
Oh,
on balls. We call it as Europe.
good morning, Bayboon. I didn't see you later earlier.
See that rule that is up here and it is a very that goes straight down the soil. So this is why okay, and then it gets smaller.
Okay, finished?
It's getting smaller.
Okay, actually, A and B are both correct. Because the reason maybe the plant in flower 2 does not get enough water for a long time, or maybe the soil in flower 2 does not have enough nutrients. So if you answered A or B, they are both correct. Okay, good job. Next question. Okay, answer the following questions. It's also in page 53, the same page. Number 1. If Bob does not water his Chinese scales for a long time, what will happen to them? Okay, if the Chinese scale or the plant that is planted by Bob is not watered for a long time, that means that it doesn't receive enough water. What will happen to them? Is it A, they will be stronger and greener, or B, they will slowly become weaker and then die in the end? So what do you think is the answer in here? So you're going to write the whole sentence, okay? Not A and B. Okay, so you have 1 minute again.
A, teacher.
You're going to write the answer on your book. Okay. I'm not going to say the answer yet. I'm going to say the answer when you're finished, okay?
Number 2, we have the left. And the third one.
So everybody write your answer.
Okay, so that's only different kind of
A, B,
Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Very good, Dada. It is letter B. They will slowly become weaker and then die in the end. It is letter B. Okay, so next, number 2. Lisa grows some jasmines in the living room, while Andy grows some jasmines outdoor. Okay, Lisa is growing jasmines inside of the house. Okay, inside of the house. And then Andy is also growing the same plant, but it is outside of the house. Okay, whose jasmines will grow better? Okay, who is correct? Is it Lisa or Andy? Okay, letter A. Letter A is Andy. Letter B is Lisa. Okay, I'm going to read the whole sentence. Okay, letter A. And this jasmine will grow better because they get enough light for them to grow. B. Lisa's jasmines because girls are good in planting. So what do you think is the correct answer? You write it first, okay? And then later I will tell the correct answer. You write the answer on your book in page 53, everybody. Okay, Tawisak Nimnoy. That is Padya, right? And the other one with the Thai name. Okay, they are finished already. Okay, the correct answer is... The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter A. And this jasmine. It's okay if you're not correct. It's all fine. Okay. Number 3. Mary usually waters her chili plant and she sometimes put fertilizers to it. Will her chili plant grow and why? Okay. Mary is watering the chili plant, okay? And then sometimes she put fertilizers into it. Do you think her chili will grow? Is it good that you put water and fertilizer into the plant? A. No, because fertilizers are bad for the plant. Or B. Yes, it will grow because water is important for its growth and fertilizers also have important nutrients for it to grow. So what do you think is the answer?
Bees, lettuce, tapioca.
Okay, so you write it on your book, okay?
They are nutritious. They are healthy. Okay, they have a lot of nutrients and fiber.
Wow, Padje is finished. Good job.
Teacher.
Yes?
B.
Okay, later I will tell the answer. Dada said it's B. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is letter B. Yes, it will grow because water is important for its growth and fertilizers also have important nutrients for it to grow. So the answer is letter B. Who said letter B? Who wrote letter B? Did you write letter B?
You need to prepare all of
Okay,
this.
so let's go. Next, we have the knowledge summary. Okay, it is in page 54. The next page of your book. Page 54.
So you need water. This is Saturday.
Okay. Plants use making it as an energy source for making blank. Light is being used by the plants, okay, as an energy source for making what? Is it A, water, or making food? This part. Light is used for making energy, as an energy for making what? Water or food? Okay, who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Who wants to answer? Anybody? Anybody?
You need to remember all of them.
Okay, Padje, what's the answer?
We have the following.
Yeah, Padje.
This is on page 60.
What's the answer? Is it A or B?
On page 62. This one.
B, good job. The correct answer is letter B. Okay, plants use light as an energy source for making food. They make their own food, right? In the process that is called photosynthesis. Okay. Number 2. Okay, Fatin is raising his hand. So number 2, Fatin will answer. Okay, water. Plants use it in making food. Plants use it to break down blank in the soil. Okay, what is it, Fatin? A or B, nutrients or soil?
You have the activities, that's the areas.
What is it?
Page 61.
Anybody?
Okay.
Letter?
So,
Fatin, again, I didn't catch that.
going to do it first.
Can you say it again?
Okay. And you need to take a picture
Fatin.
of your experiment.
A.
Take a picture.
A, good job. The correct answer is letter A. Okay, nutrients. Plants use water in breaking down the nutrients in the soil. Okay.
On page
Next.
61.
Number 3. Blank. What is it? What is it? Okay, what is in this part? Number 3. Alright. Plants use oxygen for breathing. Plants use carbon dioxide for making food. So what is it? Yeah, the one in the signing that is raising your hand. Sorry, I cannot read it, but
Give the notes.
yeah,
Instead,
I cannot call you.
your shots are
How can I call you?
so. This are for
Okay, what's the correct answer? If you want to answer, just unmute your microphone because your name is Ty. Okay, just answer. Okay. Okay, some says A, some says B, but the correct answer is letter Letter B, good job. Okay, the correct answer is letter B, air. Air is used by the plant for breathing and for making food. For breathing, the plant use oxygen, and for making food, the plant use for carbon dioxide. But they are both part of the air, okay? The oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Okay, we still have, I think,
There.
okay, one, two, 3 pages to go, but it's okay. So we're almost time. So we're just going to wrap up the activity, okay? Okay, so today we had some activities that are related to the topics that we have discussed already. So they are the written activities, okay? And we're almost done with the first part of it. So we can continue it next time, okay? So I hope that you learned something through our written activities, and also I hope that you enjoyed learning. So that's it for today. Goodbye, everybody. Happy learning, kids.